Welcome to our channel, where we simplify neuroscience for you in just a few minutes. Anxiety is an emotion characterized by excessive, intense, and persistent worry and fear of situation or outcomes. But can music heal it all? Let's learn more about it. Anxiety is thought to be the result of disruption in the balance of integral brain centers. The brain can largely be divided into two, the cognitive part and the emotional part. The frontal lobe of the brain is the cognitive center, where all the thoughts and sensations come together as an experience. The amygdala, on the other hand, is the emotional center of the brain. When signals from the brain's emotional center overpower the cognitive side of the brain, it creates an imbalance that's believed to present itself as anxiety. The brain is far too complex to be completely understood, but further research can help us understand anxiety and help treat the condition better. With anxiety increasing around the world, scientists are always seeking better alternatives to relieve its symptoms. The good news is that researchers recently confirmed how music can really soothe the soul. A study by Adil Malik and Frank Russo of Ryerson University, Canada, discovered that treatments that integrate music and auditory beat stimulation can help reduce anxiety in some patients. Auditory beat stimulation involves a particular combination of tones that can trigger changes in brain activity. For the study, a random sample of 163 patients who were currently on anti-anxiety medication was considered. Using the Qualtrics randomizer algorithm, the participants were assigned to an at-home session of sound-based treatment in one of the four parallel groups: music alone, auditory beat stimulation alone, both music, and ABS or pink noise. The music for each person in the study was selected using Lucid's AI that curated music based on a person's music preferences and emotional state. Data was collected pre- and post-intervention to be compared and analyzed. The results of the study were promising. Those who had moderate anxiety before the treatment session had a significant reduction in both cognitive state and somatic anxiety symptoms if they listened to both music and ABS. On the other hand, those who had high-trait anxiety before the session had higher reductions in anxiety if they listened only to music. So it was concluded that sound-based treatments can effectively reduce state anxiety while offering a simpler and more accessible method of treatment for certain patients. The study showcases how digital health tools like Lucid's digital music therapy can help support and alleviate mental health conditions like anxiety. With further research, the process can be made more concrete and be tweaked into what works best. We'll leave you with an interesting fact. Although anxiety is highly treatable, only a third of those suffering from the condition seek treatment or therapy. If you enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up button, click on subscribe, and hit the notification bell to catch our next episode.